Soberlink allowed me to get sober. It allowed me to build back relationships. It allowed me to work better with my therapist and just make big changes in my life. It's super easy to use. Turn it on and then 3 to 4 seconds or so, blow into it. The results of those tests will go to who is monitoring me. It's handheld, you can put it in your purse. It just takes like a couple seconds out of your day. Before I got sober, life was very up and down. It started out as just having fun, but then later it just became that automatic behavior and a survival technique for me. I lost my dad and someone that was very close to me to addiction. During that grieving process, I just realized that I was becoming very, very close to following in that same path. I knew for myself and for my family and friends and those around me, I needed to get healthy. I've worked with a lot of therapists, I've done treatment multiple times, but there was just that element that was missing. I needed something more automated to really make sure I was being honest with myself as well as honest with others. Soberlink allowed me to get sober and just make big changes in my life. My relationships have changed immensely with my own family, my parents. I had lost a lot of trust from them in the throes of my addiction, and so this was just a really great way to start to build that back. I was able to prove to them that I was on the right track. Now I feel closer to them than ever. Soberlink was a big part in my career change. I'm now almost done with my master's in both counseling and art therapy, so I'm looking forward to helping others on this path to recovery. It's a bumpy one, but I'm excited to kind of share my story and share how it's possible.